Hello everyone, this is Harleen Man. Welcome to Digital Marketing Jobs Bulletin. In case if you are looking for a job for Chennai location, then this video is meant for you. Let's get started. Damport is looking for digital marketing profile for Chennai location and they have posted this job requirement 5 days ago. So before you apply to any of the job openings, make sure that your resume should relevant to the job description. So go through their skills set, go through their job description before you apply for any jobs. The next design is looking for digital marketing executive and this is for Chennai location. Qantas is looking for digital marketing executive. Career by Choice is looking for digital marketing executive. Invent Soft Labs is looking for digital marketing profile. Joan Education is looking for digital marketing executive. Latin Nanomaterials India Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive. Komodo is looking for digital marketing analyst. Invent Soft Labs is looking for digital marketing profile. Cloud Now Technologies is looking for digital marketing manager. Astra is looking for digital marketing manager and they have posted this job requirement 6 days ago. Suga Consulting Services is looking for digital marketing manager. Vamosis DRS Private Limited is looking for head of digital marketing. Forest Media is looking for digital marketing manager Chennai location and they have posted this job requirement 4 days ago and this is the full-time job opening. HR Consultants is looking for digital marketing manager. GVU is looking for digital marketing intern. Digital Ready is looking for digital marketing manager. Open Design is looking for digital marketing executive. Don't worry, you will be getting list of companies those are looking for digital marketeers for Chennai location in description or comment section. Make sure you apply to the relevant job openings so there are higher chances you will be getting called by their company hiring manager or recruiter. Accenture is looking for digital marketing profile Chennai location. VTK Automobiles Private Limited is looking for digital marketing executive. Garage Brains is looking for digital marketing executive. The Mad Innovations is looking for digital marketing interns. Singapore Match Gym is looking for email marketing expert and the location is Chennai and they have posted this job requirement 4 days ago. Surya Informatics Solution is looking for digital marketing profile. Excel India Tech is looking for digital marketing interns. Associated Resource Company is looking for digital marketing expert. Purple Chalk Services is looking for digital marketing interns. Bristol Healthcare Services is looking for digital marketing executive and SEO analyst and this is for Chennai location and they have posted 3 days ago. Hogis Technologies Private Limited is looking for digital marketing interns. Flexi Careers is looking for digital marketing profiles. Woodley Internet is looking for digital marketing profile. So we are considering only digital marketing profiles because as you know this channel is only for digital marketing jobs. So I will be only discussing digital marketing jobs for Chennai location. So it includes content writer, social media profile, digital marketing profile, SEO profiles, SCM profiles, CR. Purvika Mobiles is looking for digital marketing executive and this is for Chennai location. Wavemaker is looking for digital director for Chennai location. Best Learning Center is looking for digital marketing specialist. Moneymax Academy is looking for digital marketing executive. CAD Center is looking for digital marketing executive. We are discussing the relevant job openings for digital marketeers. So whether you are a content writer or a digital marketeer or SEO expert or a SEO executive or PPC expert, you can consider this video and while you are searching for a job. You will be getting list of companies in description or comment section and let me know what kind of problems you are facing while you are searching for jobs for Chennai location. Definitely I will try to answer all your queries related to your jobs or your digital marketing careers. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.